Hi, my name is Benjamin Patchen. Today we're at MarineMax Stuart, and I'm going to show you a 2020 21 SPX from Sea Ray. This boat's got a 150. This motor gets this boat down the waterway really well. I've had this boat loaded up with 10 people, and it does really well with this power. Come aboard and let's show you some more. As you board, you'll see you've got a grab handle. You've got charging station in the back for when you're hanging out in the sandbar. Nice sun pad. Come on in, let's see some more. Boat's laid out really, really well. Also, another thing here, we've got a lounger. So you can sit back and look. That folds away, and then you've got just absolutely cavernous storage here. And that's your tonneau cover and your cockpit cover that's included also with this boat. This boat's got the infinity flooring, really nice. We move up to the helm here. You've got raising bolsters on both seats. Quick and easy to read gauges. Really nice chart plotter. Bottom machine Simrad right there in the middle. Move up to the front of the boat. You can see we've got some great seating, some grab handles, fusion stereo. Once again, my name is Benjamin Patchen. We're at MarineMax Stuart. Thank you for your time. This is the 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX.